Looking for a steamer pot that delivers consistent, even cooking without the hassle? The All-Clad 5-Quart stainless steel steamer pot promises just that. Whether you're steaming vegetables, seafood, or dumplings, this pot is designed to bring out the best in your meals with ease and reliability. What sets this steamer apart is its thoughtful design. The tall, curved sides optimize boiling, while the perforated stainless steel basket lets steam circulate freely, ensuring your food cooks evenly every time. Built from polished 18/10 stainless steel with a thick aluminum base, it heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly, so you don't have to worry about hot spots or uneven cooking. Plus, the solid stainless steel handles are riveted for extra security, giving you confidence when handling hot, heavy pots. I've used this steamer myself, especially when cooking for 1 or 2 people. It's become my go-to for soups, stews, and even noodles, like rice, buckwheat, or sweet potato noodles. The aluminum base brings water to a boil fast, and the pot responds well to heat changes. One of my favorite tricks? Steaming eggs. This pot easily holds 15 large eggs side by side in the basket. Steamed for 12 minutes, you get perfectly soft yolks. Add a few more minutes for a firmer center. It's simple, efficient, and much less messy than boiling. Cleaning is just as easy. The stainless steel surface resists sticking and wipes clean effortlessly. After washing, a light coating of cooking spray or oil keeps the finish shiny and prevents spotting or rust. It's dishwasher safe too, saving you time in the kitchen. This steamer is compatible with all stove types: gas, electric, ceramic, and induction, and its oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can start on the stove and finish in the oven without switching cookware. The 5-quart capacity with a 4-quart basket is just right for everyday meals, whether you're cooking for yourself or a small family. It's a versatile, durable tool built to last a lifetime, backed by a limited lifetime warranty. If you're serious about cooking and want a reliable steamer that performs consistently and cleans up quickly, this all-clad stainless steel steamer is worth a look. It's a smart investment that elevates your kitchen routine with solid construction and thoughtful design. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your cookware and enjoy effortless, delicious meals every time.